Hey there. So today we're going to run through the software and hopefully answer any questions that you might have. So for starters, this is our monitor page. This is where you can see each of your machines as well as the status of that machine. So we can see that mill 1 has 5 minutes left running. I'll open this up. And now we can also see things like which part is running. So we can see that it's part 1. We can see that op 1 is currently running on it. There are 14 parts produced and it's being run by Tom. So I'll exit out of that. Now for a schedule page. So this is where you're able to see which parts or which tasks need to be run on which machine and by which person. So we can see here that we have mill 1 and that we're going to be running part 1 op 1. I'll open that up. We can see that Darren's going to be running it. We can also see some notes here, which, maybe these are old, maybe they're current. And then we can also see which attachments were added. So you can really add anything that you want. That could be a PO report, it could be a bomb, whatever it is. So I'll exit out of that. One thing to add here is that the schedule is the only time that you're going to have to actually add anything in yourself. Outside of that, we're automatically collecting this data for you to use. So now I'll jump into the jobs page, which is really the bread and butter of our software. So we can see here under active, we're currently running part 3. And we can see that the setup time is 28 minutes, the cycle time is 22 minutes, time to swap out parts is 5 minutes, and so on. So I'll open this up, and we can also get a breakdown for each of the individual processes. So for saw, op 1, and so on. Obviously, this is a part still running, so we're still missing op 2 and anodization. We can also see the costs associated with running this part. Lastly, we have the reports page. So if you're interested, this is where you can get a more granular view of your data. So we can look at a start time, an end time. We can filter by machine. We can filter by operator. So Doug, Ralph, Tim, Darren, and so on. Now, when you generate this, you get a PDF that you can view. Alternatively, you can also get an Excel sheet, which you pull into Excel, and then you can view it there. So with that, that's a wrap of our software. If this is something that might interest you, that might provide you with value, then we're happy to talk. I think you can either reach out using our website. We have a contact us page, or you can use the email either provided to you or that's on our website as well. So just let us know, and we're happy to talk.